So we have left for our destination. First stop is Nasik. Then we'll go through Surat and then stop at Vadodara. That will be our last stop for the day. Nasik should be 4 hours, four, and ahead of that, I guess 6 or 7 more hours. Hope there's no traffic so we can cover at least Nasik part quickly. Apart from that, yeah, it's a very cold weather out here. I believe it will be worse once we reach Gujarat. At least in the morning and at night, I believe it will be in single digits. I have comparatively packed a lot of winter clothes. Let's see. Firstly, चाय ढूंढना है. चाय पीने रुकेंगे. Then we will join the Nasik highway. It's a national highway, so I believe around 100 to 150 kilometers it will be a straight patch, cruising at 60-80. So I believe it should take us, along with breaks, about 4 hours max. Worst case 5 hours. I hope it's not worst case. It's 7, so considering 12 hours we should reach our final destination by 7 or 8, hopefully. Rahul has asked to maintain a like rather good pace at the national highway, so let's see. So we are on the national highway on the way to Nashik. It's showing 3 hours 50 minutes, no turns, just straight highway. This will be a pure, what do you call it, like a stretch part of the journey. We'll try to take a couple of breaks, like around each 60 to 80 kilometers for just a 5-minute break to catch our breaths and then back to it. So this time I don't have a tank bag. It's a bit uncomfortable and I think I have packed too much. I mean, technically we are going to stay there for what, around 3 days, but including the journey it's a total of 7 days. About 7 days. So today is Sunday and we'll be returning by Saturday. And it's winter, so you have to pack a bit of winter clothes. Back at the same tunnel that we were last month, but that was on a different bike, on my Aprilia. Yeah, how crazy it would be if I do like a long ride on Aprilia, like interstate. Back ke to, like, I'll get back problems for the next whole year. The max I've ridden on it is 200 kilometers and it was like painful the day after. So it's almost freezing I bet it is like 4 or 5 degrees here. देख लो fog कितना है. You can't even see what's ahead. तो राहुल को मानना पड़ेगा, ही इज वेरी वेरी चिल. मतलब ठंड तो लगता होगा बट स्टिल लद्दाख से तो कंपेयर नहीं. लुक एट दिस फुल फॉग. Every it's very freezing. Like every part of my body is cold now. Especially the helmet. I am not able to completely close it because of the mount, and I think गलती से vents भी open ही रह गया. I'll have to check once I stop for a break. So once I close the vents, the airflow will be reduced, so I'll feel less air coming in. I feel the temperatures gone up a bit. You can see there's no fog. It's a bit better now. Like hands are a bit cold, but at least I can feel it. It's not numb. We have crossed Narayangaon and Aryapata. I think this is the route to Marshall, maybe. Yeah. Last I saw the signboard said Aryapata straight ahead. So I guess this is the ghat section. I loved it on the Aprilia, but यहाँ पहुँची हुई थी क्या पता नहीं really. And पहुँची नहीं थी obviously. Not sure how comfortably. Damn. This looks like a mini Grand Canyon. I tried to stick to the middle lane, but during overtaking you have to change lanes. There are a lot of smog. You can literally see it's not fog, it's smog. Brown color दिख रहा है सर, brown and grey. लोग कचरा जलाते रहते हैं जैसे उधर जोश जल रहा है. हाईवे पे ट्रिप्सी, लाइक पीपल हैव नो सिविक सेंस. वही सेफ्टी तो दूर की बात, खुद गिरेगे, 2 लोगों को और लेके गिरेगे. Okay, good afternoon. Sorry for the cut in between. इसका बैटरी ड्रेन हो गया था, सो मैं चार्ज करने के लिए लगाया था. We are currently somewhere near वानी, ऐसा जगह है, I don't know. यहाँ से 20 किलोमीटर गए तो सापुतारा आता है. the hill station. We'll probably wait there for clicking some photos. And there has been a change of plans. हमारा स्टे हम भरूच में करेंगे. It's somewhat in between सूरत एंड वडोदरा. तो यहाँ से अराउंड कितना दिखा रहा है, 240 किलोमीटर्स. That's doable. वडोदरा इज़ नॉट. वडोदरा को ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाएगा. We'll probably reach there by 7 or 8 o'clock max, or 9. लीड भी हो सकता है. We booked a dorm, मस्त 800 रुपये में. And for tomorrow we will be deciding whether to go to Udaipur or Run of Kutch. क्योंकि एक बंदा मिला अभी पीछे, कार से आया था. ही वाज सेइंग कि वो उदयपुर से ही रिटर्न कर रहा था, पुणे से ही आया. एंड इट्स क्राउडेड देयर. सो आई हैव टू चेक. यहाँ पे चेन टाइट कर रहे हैं राहुल के गाड़ी का. थोड़ा स्लैक ऐसे लग रहा था पहले दिखा, तो होपफुली वो आवाज़ क्लियर हो जाए. हाँ, impressive view. I wonder how green it would be in the monsoons. I mean, there is no one here. If this was somewhere near Pune, every weekend there would be people flooding for rides and photos and all. Like Tamini Ghat, it has become overrated now. Too many people, too much crowd. That takes away the fun. But yeah, 10 on 10 view. हाँ, फोटो क्या? नहीं ठीक है, मतलब हम बाइक के ले रहे थे. ओके, थैंक यू. सो लीविंग सापुतारा. डाउनहिल डिसेंट है. नेक्स्ट स्टॉप है सूरत. एंड सूरत के बाद भरूच. इट विल टेक सम टाइम, 4.5-5 hours more. It's 3 in the afternoon now. टाइम यार जल्दी निकलता. सो I would say we have been riding for the past 7 hours. Yep. Oh damn, look at that. Okay, damn. man. Honestly, it's a beautiful ghat. Roads and as soon as मतलब जैसे गुजरात एंटर किया, it is full green. Maharashtra was like dry. Look at the amount of greenery on the mountains and even on the roads. Like जो बीच बीच में पेड़ आ रहे थे उस पे फूल थे. So like how come? हाँ, these yellow ones. So I have ridden officially 287 kilometers, but now till now, and how much? 185 more to go. 185. Damn. Ever since I've been to Goa, ऐसा 400 किलोमीटर तो ऐसे ही हो जाता है, ऐसा लगता है. बट गोवा का रूट इज़ ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. Was that a mini cement truck? I don't think I've enjoyed such curvy roads on the Hunter ever. I mean, Tamini ke roads are not quite wide as these, and it has some rough patches. And seeing the map, I think this will continue for a couple of more kilometers. That's nice. Oh man, river flowing side by side the road. ये तो वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट जैसा तो नहीं लग रहा. एनीवेज मीन्स पानी तो नहीं है, बट still looks cool. And I'm starting to feel hungry. We will probably take a pit stop once ये घाट सेक्शन हो जाता है कंप्लीट. प्रॉब्ली आई थिंक नेक्स्ट तो सूरत ही आएगा. लेट्स ट्राई सम गुजराती फूड और देयर स्पेशलिटी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, काठियावाड़ा. I am getting northeast का vibes here. एकदम ऐसे like look at this. स्प्लेंडर वाले ऐसे चलाते हैं भाई, जैसे स्प्लेंडर 100 नहीं 1000 सीसी का है। डन। फोटोशूट के लिए अच्छा स्पॉट है बट आई थिंक बारिश के टाइम इट वुड गेट फ्लडेड। बज, व्हाट इज बज? ओह ओके, विलेज का नाम है प्रॉब्ली। some music would have helped. इंटरकॉम लेना पड़ेगा, and a good one that too, which might last, at least 7 to 8 hours non-stop. I used to use my friend's intercom, the Parani M10. अच्छा है वो, but yeah, the audio quality sometimes just goes bad. Okay guys, so 5 o'clock थोड़ा एक ब्रेक लिया, वी हैड सम फूड, मतलब स्नैक्स बढ़िया था। सोयाबीन कबाब, काइंड ऑफ यूनिक। अभी विल ट्राई टू लाइक स्ट्रेच टिल भरूच, 3 hours 140 किलोमीटर्स। हो सकता है बीच में एक छोटा सा स्टॉप लेना पड़ेगा। आई प्रोबब्ली माइट नीड टू रिफ्यूल, बट यार GG's, but good day, good ride. We'll have to figure the end location tomorrow, कहाँ जाना है। I don't know if it's quite visible or not. सनसेट हो रहा है, 5:30 बज गए। आई want to change the Indy filter to Indy 8, क्योंकि एक बार अंधेरा हो गया तो you won't be able to see shit. So maybe once I stop at the fuel station वहाँ replace कर लूँगा। And also I'm not sure how much the gain is. लास्ट टाइम -6 पे था, अभी -4 पे है, बट ऑन द स्क्रीन आई कैन सी सम ऑडियो क्लिपिंग एंड मैंने चेक नहीं किया है। सो ऑल्दो वो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में हो जाएगा नॉर्मलाइज, बट यस लेट्स सी, एटलीस्ट होप कि आवाज़ फट ना रहा हो। Dang. Huh. I don't know if you can see the same thing that I'm seeing, but this is beautiful. Dang. अभी और 2 घंटा है. It's kind of late also. एक तो मैंने वाइजर गलत पहन लिया. This looks unreal, man. Something out of the ordinary. So the city sunsets are overrated. These are the ones that are truly beautiful. I mean, even after the sunset, the sky looks beautiful. Like it still has the hues of pink, orange. And those yellow lights, those bring out the like a different kind of feel. Like LEDs are okay, but ये जो लाइट है इसमें अलग ही मजा है. ट्रैफिक. ओके, बैक टू इट. सो हाँ, ये आ गया है ब्रिज. और लोग कुछ दिखेगा नहीं. Well, लास्ट टाइम मैं आया था तब ये नहीं था probably the barricades. But yeah, it's okay. So the temperature has dropped. Obviously नदी है तो let's see. It's almost 9 o'clock. We'll reach there in 8 minutes. Bed and Bread Dom का नाम है. Hopefully it's good. वॉशरूम एंड ऑल सही होगा क्योंकि जाके गर्म पानी से नहाना है. एंड वी विल probably sleep immediately. Okay, so this is the bus port. आ गया. कहाँ कहाँ से है पार्किंग? पार्किंग कहाँ से अंदर जाने का? लगा देते हैं यहाँ पे। हाँ भाई फाइनली